Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Zhang. This is a miniature Benjamin PCP designed and made by 3D printed. Look, this is a bottle of Coke I used to compare with this miniature PCP. Okay, now let's check and play this miniature Benjamin PCP, and I would show you how it works. Airsoft green gas we need. Fill up green gas, just like an airsoft gun. This is a 20 rounds magazine I designed. I prepare a bike used to receive the BB and prevent BB not running everywhere. Finish shooting, 20 rounds I'd shoot. This is a 3mm diameter BB I'd shoot. This is a miniature PCP gun function of shooting, and this is a toy, not damage. Okay, now I disassemble. See how that miniature Benjamin PCP works. Okay, first I disassemble the air tank and air valve. This is the air system. Try to fill up airsoft green gas. Press the rod of the output valve. Okay, assemble back. Okay, that's it. Check and it works. Okay, at the end, I hope you like my videos. There are some funny videos on my channel. Welcome, subscribe and watch more videos. Goodbye. See you next time.